Hey guys, I'm going to just show you the start of the decorations that I'm doing for the mom album. I stuck some ribbon on the spine and I stuck some flowers that I cut out of a ribbon, like it was a ribbon with these flowers on it. Have some doilies and some feathers that I got from Recollections. Um, this paper stack, somebody asked me what it was called. It's called Boho Vibes, and I got it. It's from the Paper Studio at Hobby Lobby. The one thing I will say is this chipboard that I used for this isn't as thick as the chipboard that I normally use, and I didn't realize it until the album was put together. So I might have to, for mine anyway, I might have to reinforce somehow the the covers. Maybe I'll add. I don't know. I'll do something. So far this is what I have, and I still have some pictures to go through, so I don't have pictures in every single spot. Here is the magnetic like belly band for the waterfall, and I have um, just pictures on every other one, but I don't have pictures on the back yet. Like I said, I have a bunch of pictures of my mom's to go through when I get her stuff out of storage. So these are just some of the pictures that I had of her. I shouldn't say that I had because that I had printed. You know, that's the bad part about digital photography these days. It's like we don't print them. We think that having them on a disc or on our phone is good enough, and it's not. So then we have the tag here, which I haven't decorated any of the tags. I just put paper on the front and the back. So I have not put pictures on this, so I'm not going to pull them out anymore. Here's the second page. So I did put pictures on the front, and then this is a magnet closure. Um, at the memorial, I had people fill out these little cards with little sayings or the memories of my mom, and so I attached them to different places in the book with the brads. This was a pocket, so I have a picture on there. And again, I don't have pictures everywhere. I did use some ribbon here just to decorate that. I used some chipboard stickers that I got. I don't think they weren't from the collection, but they kind of matched the collection. So this part was the little flappy do thing, and so I have these photo mats, and I just stuck. Look at me, I was so cute. Okay, this is my brother's wedding. This is my wedding. And this was my mom's wedding to my dad. It's kind of funny because this is my mom's wedding to my stepdad, and then my dad, and then my brother's wedding and my wedding. So I apparently had a theme of this pocket here. Um, my grandma, which is my father's mom, had some pictures that my dad gave me, and she wrote on here the names and the years. So this was like 1982. My mom must have been making Thanksgiving. So then I don't have pictures on the back of those flaps or this page. I did put a ribbon here, and I just kind of swayed it there so it looked like it was swayed. It was just a normal ribbon. Um, this is my son the day he was born, and this is my son and my mom the day he graduated high school. And then we have these two pictures, and then I put pictures, just two so far, on the outside, and then I have some pictures on the inside. I did use a tab punch to add tabs so that they were easier to pull out of these pockets because I cut the pages the same size. So I have pictures there, and again, nothing on that. And then here are the flap pockets. So I put some more of the ribbon, and I actually had these in different spots, and so one was suede and one was straight, but you get the idea. These are the resin flowers from Recollections, and I didn't put anything on the back, so there's these two pockets on the front. And then when you open it up, you have these two pockets on the back. And again, nothing on the back. You can put like journaling cards here or more pictures here. This is a doily and just some enamel dots. Put there. This big tag I did decorate. I just put 2 pictures on there for right now. And once I get all the rest of the pictures in there, I'll finish decorating as far as putting more embellishments on it. This is, I think it was an 8 by 10 picture, and I think I just cut off a little bit on the side to make it fit. Yeah, so I cut off an inch, so maybe a ½ inch on each side. So this is 7 inches by 9½ inches. And that's my dad and my mom. She got married in a blue wedding dress. That's so weird. Okay, anyway. So I don't have anything here because I liked how this said hello lovely, and I thought maybe I'd find a picture that I like here. Another resin flower on this flap. This is my mom. I don't know what she's building, but she's building something. And again, I don't have anything on the back. This is an actual Polaroid picture that I stuck on there. And then my mom's wedding again, another Polaroid picture. There is another flower. What do you call this? Oh my gosh, I can't think. It's a feather. Yep, it's a feather. This is my mom. I love this picture of her. She had the most beautiful, I don't know if you could see it. Come on, focus. She had the most beautiful eyes, I thought. Yeah, it won't go anymore. I tried. It actually is not zooming that much. Okay, it's not doing it. So then this flap flips open, and I do not have anything here yet. And this was the pocket, the little pocket. So I have 2 pictures there. This flips down, and I stuck the cards that people signed. They were tags, and I stuck those on here just because I wanted to put them all in there. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. I forgot. It's been a while since I made this. I had to stop working on it for a while because it was making me sad. So here's the Gatefold page with these, and I just made I think these are 4.5 by 6.5 tags just to put photos on and tuck in here. I don't have those photos yet, and this last page here has a pocket, and I just used the paper. I actually used 2 paper stacks for this. And then here is the last page. It flips open, and I have this decorated. This was a sticker from Recollections, I think. And then this was a flap. I just made these flap. Well, you saw how I made the album. So there's a picture. I don't have anything on there. And then this, I haven't put anything obviously there yet, but this is mom and me. So this is all pictures. I think I was 14 days old there. I don't know how old I was there. And this is my wedding day. So that was that. And the back, I just put papers that I thought coordinated together on these flaps. And then these are the wallet ones. So I have a ½ inch, space here, and I wanted to make sure that each of my gussets were ½ inch so that I could use these resin embellishments and add more pictures and such, because when you add pictures, it's obviously going to add bulk to this. So there is a ½ inch in the front and a ½ inch in the back, as well as in between each of the pages. And they lay kind of flat. I'm not going to say they lay all the way flat, but so there is the beginnings of the decoration, and as soon as I get the rest of the pictures added to it, I will show you when it's done. But I had some people asking me what what it was looking like. So I thought I'd share. Thanks for watching, guys.